501. County, have 38 stand by at the station. 39 is responding to that call. Are they proceeding also? They can proceed in unless 3902 feels that they're not needed, but they can continue. 2150. County 3802. Lehigh County 3802. Station 38 will be on standby. 3802, 21. Lehigh County 3912. 17. We'll kind of into yellow and then back into red and go south. Almost 22. To get it, acknowledged you're responding. Really fast. Yeah, you're head one. Are you recording now? And main and south church south. 4041 responding. Well, when it does that, we can watch that thing stop and fly. It's changing so often within that 5 minutes, it's hard to see what is going on. Yeah, if you can get a clear shot of it. You know, that southern end, like Bethlehem.
Where I'm at right now. When the lightning lights up enough.
Updated on my iPhone. 41 to command. And what a difference looking at the iPhone and watching my computer. Command, go ahead. Okay, just talk to the weekend user and he's loading now and he'll take care of second and main.
I'm starting to get a lot of bolts starting to pop up again over there.
Wind gap area, there's that real big cell following the mountain and it's been on it since it's been in Berks County. It's following the mountain. Into one big one, they all clash together. They're probably getting their ass kicked out there. Okay, I'll check on that.
A lot of these are going to be still images, just the...
They